Okay. Pag sinabi niyo po bang trans woman, meron ba 'tong sex change or wala pa?
Yes, this is the most common misconceptions for trans women, because there are many types of trans women. But to generalize it, we have two types. We have the pre-op and the post-op trans women. Pre-op trans women, dito po nagsisimula lahat ng pinanganak na lalaki mag-transition sa pagiging babae. When you're pre-op, you start consulting a doctor and they give you hormone replacement therapy. It stops our male hormones from growing and adding more female hormones to our body to achieve the femininity that we want. But after that, when you've completed your hormone replacement therapy, that's when you have the time to decide if you want to become a post-op transgender. Nonetheless, yung post-op po is yung operada na. Nagpa-SRS na, or what we say, sexual reassignment surgery.
Reassignment.
Mm.
Yeah. And it's your choice. There are transgenders that live with their genitalia, because I believe that anuman po yung nasa gitna ng dalawa kong hita does not define me as a woman. And it's just there. It's an inconvenience, but it does not define me. Yun po yung